Hello students, now let's continue part 2nd of lesson number 4. Bipin Babu left Kalicharan's bookstore. Now let's see what happened. Bipin Babu's car was safely parked in Betram Street by the Lighthouse Cinema. He told the driver as he got into the car, just drive by the Ganga. Will you, Sitaram? Bipin Babu left Kalicharan's bookstore and then he sat into his car that was parked safely by the road, and he told his driver Sitaram that drive to Ganga, river Ganga. So he wanted to go to the river side of Ganga. Now driving up the Strand Road, Bipin Babu regretted having paid so much attention to the intruder. Now, when he was sitting in the car and the driver was driving the car, so sitting in the car, he was thought about that strange man Parimal Ghosh, and he was regretted. He was feel sorry about the person and he put many attention to that intruder, means a person who have bad intention. He had never been to Ranchi, so Bipin Babu know that he had never go to Ranchi, no question about it. So he was very sure about it. It was conceivable that it was inconceivable means impossible that he should forget such an incident which took place only 6 or 7 years ago. So that Parimal Ghosh talking about the year 1958. So for Bipin Babu, he thought that it was impossible for him to forget just about 6 or 7 years ago's incident. He had an excellent memory. So Bipin Babu know that he had excellent memory unless Bipin Babu's head relayed. So head relayed means he was shocked and confused. But that man Parimal Ghosh was very surely talking about some his personal incident and personal details. So Bipin Babu was very shocked and just a little bit confused about that incident. Now turn the page. Here he was losing his mind. So while driving or while sitting in car, he was going towards the Ganga river, and while sitting in the car he was losing his mind. He was losing his mind means he was becoming mad about that incident to meet Parimal Ghosh in Kalicharan's bookstore. But how could that be? So he was just thinking about that incident and he was going mad. Again and again he was thought about that people who was told about the Ranchi. And he thought that, but how could that be? How could it be possible? He was working daily in his office. It was a big firm and he was doing a responsible job. He wasn't aware of anything ever going seriously wrong. So there was nothing to remember that he was done something wrong. Only today he spoke for half an hour at an important meeting, and yet the man knew a great deal about him. How? So he was done nothing wrong while he was doing a responsible job, but today for half an hour that man spoke about the incident at Ranchi. Then how could it possible? He thought that was a great deal for him, and how could it possible? He even seemed to know some intimate details. So that Parimal Ghosh, that man who was met in the Kalicharan's bookstore, that Parimal Ghosh was know about some intimate detail of about Parimal Babu. Intimate details means very personal and private detail. So that Parimal Ghosh know every detail about Bipin Babu. So that make Bipin Babu very confused and thoughtful. The bag of books, so he know about everything about the bag of books. એને બધું જ ખબર હતી પરિમલ બાબુ, જો આ પરિમલ ઘોષ જે એમને મળ્યા હતા એને શું ખબર હતી એને? સો બેગ ઓફ બુક્સ that he was always carry with him, wife's death, brother's insanity. So he, that Parimal Ghosh, know everything about Bipin Babu. But Bipin Babu doesn't recognize Parimal Ghosh. એ પરિમલ ઘોષને જાણતા જ નથી. Okay, so he forget Parimal Babu each and every detail about Ranchi trip. But Bipin Babu doesn't believe that he went to Ranchi ever. એ ક્યારેય પણ રાંચી ગયા હોય એવું બિપિન બાબુને ખ્યાલ નથી. બટ આ જે મેન હતો એકદમ સ્ટ્રોંગ પ્રૂફ આપે છે. એન્ડ પરિમલ બાબુ જે હતા, પરિમલ ઘોષ જે હતા, એ બિપિન બાબુ વિશેની બધી જ ઈચ એન્ડ એવરી ડિટેલ જાણે છે. સો ધેટ મેક Bipin Babu something confused. The only mistake was about his having gone to Ranchi. So everything is right about the books, about the death of his wife, about his brother's incense. Okay, so everything is right, but he was wrong in one thing, that he was tripped at Ranchi. Not a mistake, a deliberately lie. Deliberately means intentionally he was speaking a lie. So thinking about that was the thought of Bipin Babu. He thought that Parimal Ghosh speaking deliberately lie. In 1958, during the pujas, he was in Kanpur at his friend Haridas Bagchi's place. All Bipin Babu had to do was write to. No, there was no way of writing to Haridas. Bipin Babu suddenly remembered that Haridas had left with his wife for Japan now some weeks ago, and he didn't have his address. Now Bipin Babu thinking about that he have to write the letter to Haridas, because when in 1958 in October month he was at Hari Babu's place in Puja. So he wanted to make sure about that incident, and he thought to write a letter to Haridas. But suddenly Bipin Babu know that Haridas left the place and he was shifted to Japan just a week ago, and Bipin Babu doesn't have him address. એનું એડ્રેસ નથી. બિપિન બાબુને એવું લાગ્યું કે એણે હરિદાસને લેટર લખીને જણાવવું જોઈએ, કે કન્ફર્મ કરી લાવવું જોઈએ આ ઇન્સિડન્ટ વિશે, કે 1958ની અંદર ઓક્ટોબર મંથની અંદર જ્યારે પૂજા હતી ત્યારે એવું ક્યાં હતા? હરિદાસના પ્લેસ પર હતા. સો આ કન્ફર્મ કરવા માટે લેટર લખવા માંગતા હતા. બટ સડનલી એને યાદ આવ્યું કે હરિદાસ વોઝ લેફ્ટ one week ago and he was shifted in Japan. And now Bipin Babu has no address for letter of Haridas. Haridasનો address હવે નથી. Now, but where was the need for proof? Now he thought that where was the need for proof? He himself was fully aware that he hadn't been to Ranchi. Now he thought that no need to prove anything, because I know that I am right and I had never been to Ranchi, and that was that, and that was it. Okay, now he stopped thinking. The river breeze was bracing means simulating it gives some pleasure. So breeze gives some pleasure, and yet a slight discomfort lingered in Bipin Babu's mind. So discomfort lingered in Bipin Babu's mind. Lingered means unnecessarily stay. Some discomfort was unnecessarily stay in his mind. Though the breeze was blowing and it gives some pleasure to Bipin Babu at the river breeze or river Ganga's beach, but he was not comfortable. Some thought was there in his mind which was discomfort give to Bipin Babu. Around Hastings, Bipin Babu decided to roll up his trousers and take a look at his right knee. Now he decided to roll up his trouser and take a look at his right knee. એ જે પરિમલ ઘોષ હતા એમણે કહ્યું હતું કે તમારા રાઈટ ની ઉપર એક કટ છે. ઓકે, એ તને ક્યાં લાગ્યો હતો? તો જ્યારે તમે રાંચી આવ્યા હતા, ઓકે, ત્યારે તમે પડી ગયા હતા. ઓકે, રાંચીના હુડ્રુ ફોલ પર જ્યારે જતા હતા ત્યારે તમે પડી ગયા હતા અને તમારા રાઈટની ઉપર એક કટ આવ્યો હતો. સો આટલી ઈચ એન્ડ એવરી ડિટેલ, આટલી પર્સનલ ડિટેલ પણ એ જે પરિમલ ઘોષ હતા એમને ખબર છે. સો નાવ Bipin Babu was little confused and he wanted to roll his trouser and look the right knee of him. તો એની right knee જુએ છે. Let's see what happened. There was the mark of an old inch-long cut, and it is right that Parimal Ghosh's thought or his speak was right that there was a cut in his right knee. It was impossible to tell when the injury had occurred. Now, Bipin Babu doesn't know about the injury. When the injury had occurred to him, અને ઇન્જરી ક્યારે થઈ એ બિપિન બાબુને કંઈ ખબર નથી. So, it is something that is the Parimal, whatever said by the Parimal Ghosh, it is the proof that cut on his right knee is the proof that whatever said by Parimal Ghosh is right. Okay, now he was very confused. Bipin Babu become very confused. Why? Now it gives a proof that there is a long cut in his right knee, on his right knee. So he was become very confused. Now let's turn the page here. Had he never had a fall as a boy and cut his knee? Now he thought that when he was child, it is possible that he was fall and there is a cut in his knee. He tried to recall such an incident but couldn't. He was trying to recall about childhood incident but he doesn't recall when the cut was occurred to him. એને કટ ક્યારે વાગ્યું એને ખબર નથી. Then Bipin Babu suddenly thought of Dinesh Mukherjee. Now he was thought about Dinesh Mukherjee. The man had said that Parimal Ghosh said that Dinesh was in Ranchi at the same time. Dinesh Mukherjee was also there in Ranchi. Okay, so he remembered that and suddenly he recalled that. The best thing surely would be to ask him. Now Bipin thought that now let ask Dinesh Mukherjee. હવે એણે શું ડિસાઇડ કર્યું કે આ પરિમલ ઘોષ શું કહેતો હતો, તમારી સાથે એક બીજા પણ વ્યક્તિ હતા રાંચીમાં, એ કોણ હતા? દિનેશ મુખર્જી. ઓકે, નાવ હવે પરિમલ બાબુ આ દિનેશ મુખર્જીને ઓળખે છે. સો પરિમલ બાબુને શું થયું? લેટ આસ્ક દિનેશ મુખર્જી. ચાલો દિનેશ મુખર્જીને પૂછી જોઈએ. નાવ હી લીવ્ડ ક્વાઇટ નિયર. સો દેટ દિનેશ મુખર્જી લીવ્ડ ક્વાઇટ નિયર ઇન બેનીનંદન સ્ટ્રીટ. So he was lived in Beninandan Street, which was very near to Bipin Babu. What about going right now? Now he thought that what about going right now? But then, if he had really never been to Ranchi, what would Dinesh think if Bipin Babu asked for a confirmation? Okay, so હવે એ વિચારે છે કે જો દિનેશને પૂછું બટ જો હું રાંચી નહીં ગયો હોઉં અને હું જો કન્ફર્મેશન પૂછું કે આપણે રાંચી ગયા હતા કે નહીં તો દિનેશ મારા વિશે શું વિચારશે? સો હી થોટ અબાઉટ ધેટ. હી વુડ પ્રોબેબલી કન્ક્લુડ બિપિન બાબુ વોઝ ગોઈંગ નટ્સ. નાવ હી થોટ ધેટ જો હું આવું પૂછીશ તો દિનેશને એવું જ લાગશે કે બિપિન બાબુ વોઝ ગોઈંગ નટ. વોઝ ગોઈંગ નટ મીન્સ ગોઈંગ મેડ એન્ડ ક્રેઝી. બિપિન શું થઈ ગયો છે? મેડ થઈ ગયો છે. સો નો, that is wrong idea. So it would be ridiculous to ask him. Now Bipin thought that it was ridiculous to ask Dinesh, because if I ask and give a confirmation about Ranchi trip, and if I would know if I would never go to Ranchi, if we would never go to Ranchi, then it was confirmed for them that I was become crazy or I was become mad. જો અમે રાંચી નહીં ગયા હોઈશું અને જો હું પૂછીશ અબાઉટ કન્ફર્મેશન તો દિનેશને શું લાગશે કે he was become mad. So it was wrong idea. It was not a good idea. So he followed that idea. Now, and he knew how ruthless Dines's sarcasm could be. So, he know that his rudeness. So, he dropped the idea to ask and call the Dinesh Mukherjee. Now, he reached his home. Now, Bipin Babu at last reached his home. Now, sipping a cold drink in his air conditioned living room, Bipin Babu left at ease again. Now he reached at his home and gave a sip of cold drink, and he was felt at ease again. Felt at ease means feel something comfortable again. Such a nuisance. Now he thought such a nuisance just because they have nothing else to do. So some people are very nuisance because they have to nothing to do. They got about getting into other person's hair. So getting into other person's hair means interfering with an annoying people. So અજાણ્યા પીપલના લાઈફમાં ઇન્ટરફિયર કરતા હોય છે જેને કશું પણ કામ હોતું નથી. So such noise people are there. So he thought about. After dinner, snuggling in bed. Snuggling means hugging or fondling in bed. He was sleeping in bed with of one of the new thrillers. So thriller book. So now he was slept. He was going on the bed and he started reading the thriller book. Now Bipin Babu forget all about the man in New Market. Now he was forget about the incident that he was met the man on New Market, that he was reading about the book. He was reading the thriller book and forget all about the incident. Now next day in the office, Bipin Babu noticed that with every passing hour, the previous day encounter was occupying more and more of his mind. Now then when the next day he went to office, he reached office and he noticed that after passing each and every hour, the encounter means the experience, the last day's experience was occupying more and more his mind. Occupying his mind means his mind affected more and more about that incident. So he noticed that if the man knew so much about Bipin Babu, how could he make such a mistake about the Ranchi trip? Now, એ જે ઇન્સિડન્ટ બન્યો એ વારંવાર બિપિનના મગજમાં આવે છે એન્ડ હી વોઝ અફેક્ટેડ બાય ધેટ ઇન્સિડન્ટ કે જો માણસ મળ્યો હતો that was પરિમલ ઘોષ. If he was right, then how could I made a big mistake of Ranchi trip? How could be I forget the Ranchi trip? હવે એને પોતાના ઉપર ડાઉટ થાય છે. કોને? બિપિન બાબુને. શું થાય કે જો એ પરિમલ બાબુ મારા વિશે આટલી બિગ ડિટેલ, આટલી ડિટેલમાં પ્રાઇવેટ ડિટેલ પણ જો જાણતો હોય તો હું રાંચી ટ્રીપ તો પછી એ રાઈટ હોવો જોઈએ. ઓકે, અને ધેન હાઉ કુડ આઈ ફોરગેટ, તો પછી હું રાંચી ટ્રીપ કઈ રીતે ભૂલી ગયો? ધેટ વોઝ હી થિંકિંગ અબાઉટ. Just before lunch, Bipin Babu decided to ring up Dinesh Mukherjee. Now he was decided. હવે જે થાય તે દિનેશ મુખર્જીને ફોન કરીને પૂછી લેવાનું. ઓકે, ઇટ વોઝ બેટર ટુ સેટલ ધ ક્વેશ્ચન ઓવર ધ ફોન. At least the embarrassment of his face wouldn't show. So to go to his home and ask is something very much embarrassing, but at least he decided to call him. એને કોલ કરવાનું ડિસાઇડ કર્યું. એટલીસ્ટ એનું એમ્બેરેસમેન્ટ ફેસ જે હશે એને જોવા નહીં પડશે. ઓકે, નાવ 235616 that was Dinesh Mukherjee's number and Bipin Babu dialed the number. Hello, Bipin Babu said. Is that Dinesh? So Bipin Babu said that is that Dinesh? This is Bipin here. Well, what's the news? So Dinesh Babu said that well, what's the news? So Bipin Babu said, I just wanted to find out if you recall an incident which took place in 1958. Now Bipin Babu asked about the incident take place in 1958. Have you recall about it? તમને ખબર છે 1958 માં શું બન્યું હતું? Okay. Turn the page. Let's see દિનેશને ખબર છે કે નહીં. Okay, so 1958, what incident? So Dinesh Babu was confused and said that what incident? કયો incident? Were you in Calcutta right through that year? That's the first thing I have to know. તો ત્યારે તો તમે કલકત્તા હતા એ? Okay, that is the first thing I have to know. But wait, now Dinesh Babu said, wait a minute. 1958, just let me check in my diary. Now, for a minute there was a silence. So, Dinesh Babu checking in his diary, and because of that there was a silence. Bipin Babu could feel that his heartbeat had gone up. Now, Bipin Babu was very embarrassed and his heartbeat gone up and his heartbeat વધવા લાગી. He was sweating a little and પસીનો થવા લાગ્યો. Hello, now Dinesh Babu called. Hello, yes. Bipin Babu said, yes, I have got it. Now Dinesh said, I have got it. I had been out twice. હું બે વાર ગયો હતો. Where? Bipin Babu said, where? Now that Dinesh said that once in February, nearby to Krishnanagar to a nephew's wedding. So એનો ભત્રીજાની wedding હતી. So that was in February, and then but you had know about this one. અને પછી એ તો તને ખબર જ હશે, the trip of Ranchi. Now Dinesh Babu also confirm about Ranchi. Okay, so the trip of Ranchi, you were there too. Dinesh Babu એ પણ શું કહ્યું? There you were also in Ranchi. That's all. But what's all this sleuthing about? Sleuthing means investigation. But why are you investigating everything? Now Bipin Babu said, no, I just wanted to. Then he stopped and anyway, thanks. Then Bipin Babu slammed the receiver down. Then Bipin Babu quickly put down the receiver and gripped his head with his hand. હવે એના હાથથી માથાને પકડી લીધું. He left his head swimming. He felt his head swimming. એને માથું ફરતું હોય એવું લાગ્યું. A chill seemed to spread over his body. Now it was confirmed that after asking Dinesh Babu, it was confirmed that he was at Ranchi, but he was forget all his event. So he was very sad and he felt that his head was swimming. A chill seemed to spread over his body. આખું બોડી એનું ઠંડુ થવા લાગ્યું. There were sandwiches in his tiffin box, but he didn't eat them. He had lost his appetite. Okay, so appetite means hunger. He had lost his hunger because he also confirmed that he was in Ranchi, but he forget all the incident. Why? Because two people confirmed that. First, Parimal Ghosh, and second, Dinesh Babu. Both told that they were trip at Ranchi in 1958, but Bipin Babu was forget everything about that trip. Okay, so he was very sad now. Okay, and he lost his hunger. The third part we'll discuss later. We stop here. Okay, till then, take care students, stay home, stay safe.